Namaste. I'd like to invite you to take a break from whatever you're doing and just check your body for tension. Please bring your awareness to your facial muscles. Relax and allow your jaw to open slightly. Let your shoulders drop and relax. Allow your arms to fall to your sides. Your hands to loosen so that there are spaces between your fingers. Uncross your legs or ankles. Be aware of your thighs sinking into your chair. And let your legs relax. Feel your shins and calves become heavier. And your feet grow roots into the floor. And then take a few breaths in slowly. And exhale out equally slowly. You can take 2 or 3 breaths like this. And then return to whatever it was that you were taking a break from. Namaste.